All right, today I'm going to give you a 3-year review of this cheap China plasma cutter I got. It's an Amico Power. I think they're called Amico Electric now. It is a Cut-40. I have abused the hell out of it. I've cut a ton of stuff and recently just had an issue where it wouldn't cut, and I figured like, well, 3-year expiration on this cheap China stuff. But I found a phone number. They had a California phone number for like tech support. I called them up. They gave me an idea on what the issue could be, tried it out, and fixed it. So tech support that works, I'm pretty happy with that. So I took the thing apart, started looking for like a fuse or something that looked like it was burned up. Couldn't find anything. And turns out it was this torch itself. You can see there's some like corrosion in there. Now I've cleaned this up. It looked a hell of a lot uglier before. I cleaned this up, hit it with some, what was it? I think it was 220 grit. And just laid some 220 grit down on the bench, sanded it nice and flat, got it to where it was pretty parallel. And I actually got this still pretty ugly one to work with some new consumables. Now you can buy a whole new torch that comes with the hose and the trigger wire and everything all together. It's like $60 straight from Amico. That's probably what they wanted me to do. However, you can see on here it says PT31. So I Googled that and I found a $9 torch. That was just the torch body itself, torch body and the head stuff. And I just switched over. I had to make the connections a little bit different. I should have opened this up, showed you guys. But there's just 2 little connections because this is just a continuity switch, and it was the same hookup to the air itself. That was exactly the same. And I'm back in business with this one, and it's cutting no problem, working just fine. So I'm 3 years into this thing with a shitload of cuts. I don't even know how many. And it cost me like $150, I think, brand new. And a $9 repair now. That works for me. So overall, for this Amico Cut-40, I'm super happy with it for the price. You really can't go wrong. And it's cutting great. So much so that I just bought a cheap TIG welder. We'll try that China stuff out, see how that goes.